Welcome to Piper's Place. This project is brought to you by Westlake Royal Building Products and Westlake Royal Pros. This is a one-level, 960 square foot custom retirement home with a 396 square foot attached garage, and this place has a view. The project is designed with low maintenance and durability in mind, and I'm going to take you around and show you some of those features. Some of the products we're using on this project are Versetta Stone and tight cut sterling, and this sill or capstone just really dresses it up. I like that. We've got Westlake Royal Building Products woodland vinyl siding in shamrock. Again, I like this color. We have the builder soffit and fascia and pebble clay, and I really like the color combination. We're going to take a few minutes and cover some of the nuances of offsite bending, how to bend your own fascia, bend your own bird boxes, some other trims and flashings as well. It's the ProTrax Saw Table from Tapco Tools. We're going to spend a little bit of time. We're going to go over some of the features that could help improve efficiency for you installing vinyl siding. Little things like a stop for soffit, not having to measure, integrated tape measure on the table, and we'll get into swinging and cutting angles with the saw.